Okay, so we've got they're talking about power mics because everything's too quiet. Well, there you go. Yeah, you know what I think about power mics. Leftover American AM rubbish. Right, so we'll leave the display on just for the visual bit. First time I've heard anybody on this. So you've got a receive light which is linked in with the squelch. We'll go to 31 to make a Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Yes, standby, still defrosting the windscreen.
Roger on that. Is it about 5 degrees out?
That's 1.
Oh. So we'll plug our extension speaker in because we can. So we're on external power, which is 12 volts, not 13.8. External aerial, and now we'll plug that in to there. You get the 2.5-inch speaker in there, which is about what you get in a mobile these days. So if you saw the repair video, this is a broken aerial. It can't be used on its aerial, but the customer's going to use it solely like we're using it. Yeah.
Right, we're defrosted enough to start, I think.
Roger on that.
Have you plugged in your speaker?
Roger, I have.
Right, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio with no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger on that, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station on 34.9 and 44.9.
Roger on that, it's still open.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, and hopefully there's no warning signs of roads out.
No, it doesn't look that way.
Good.
Yeah, roger that. No, I wasn't wondering. I couldn't see it used it, but no, I'm not wondering. going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
Binatone Long Ranger 40 unforceable from 1981. It's doing a full 4-watt output. So I'm on the built-in electric motor.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing. It will improve.
I don't know about that. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Binatone Long Ranger 40, drawing 700 milliamps to deliver a full 4-watt output. This is a 12-volt radio, not a 13.8-volt radio. And we're going to go to low power, which on this radio is just 180 milliwatts. So that's going to be interesting. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now on 180 milliwatts the radio current, 260 milliamps. And current, we're going to go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. You're very noisy on low power, but I could just about hear what you were saying.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 138.9, 146.7.
Absolutely great. Thank you for that. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special prize for me today at that end, please? Over.
138.9, 146.7.
That was absolutely great. So thank you for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, well, you know what? I think that's the best performing Long Ranger 40 that we've ever had in. It's a shame it has a broken aerial, but that can be sorted in the future, I've no doubt. I'm astonishing because it's doing, what, 0. Let's look at the sheet. Yeah, 0.65 microvolts. Normally they're not as sensitive as that, and it's doing a full 4 watt output on the 12 volts. Which again we don't always see, so very impressive. We'll go over to our base station. Remember, these are crystal filtered as well, but so is the realistic 1001 and 1005. We'll go over to our base station, see what that sounds like on its built-in electric mic, which is the only option.
Tango 21 testing the Binatone Long Ranger 14 to our Midland 76900 base station. Bearing in mind this is running on a power supply, and testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power as a home test. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and there we are back to full power. So I don't know what we've got tomorrow. It might be one from trucking and farming. I think it could be a Harrier CBX. So thanks for watching the Binatone Long Ranger 40 from 1981.